Thinkers, I'm Jessica Taylor, a licensed therapist specializing in both mental health and addiction. I wanted to share a little more about who I am and what content I have to offer. I have worked in nonprofit community mental health and residential rehabilitation, or known as rehab. I've also helped get a local mental health court program off the ground while under supervision as a new therapist. All of the experience and expertise that I've gleaned over the years is going to be offered through my content. I have learned that as social creatures, we rely on our support system for recovery and navigating challenging life situations. I want to share with you how to improve yourself and your life. Why not join me on this journey of discovery and education, where I will discuss a wide range of mental health topics and not just addiction. Also, I provide a variety of courses and worksheets to enhance overall well-being. You can find all these resources and more on my website. I look forward to connecting with you soon.